Hello everyone. As you may notice, the M385 is right here. It's not connected to a door or anything. Right here is the 8550 WLB. Excuse my interrupt there, but you can see this door has a different rail on it. And you probably saw a glimpse of it, and I also posted a sneak peek video. But if we follow this rail back, that's right. Chamberlain 248754. This is the equivalent of the LiftMaster 3850, which is the previous generation to this. Yeah, full equivalent of the LiftMaster 3850. I'm using the existing sensors because, well, the sensors are about the same anyways. Just got done installing this. I got this keypad right here, model 940D-01, probably because it came with the opener. The old access master wall panel, and of course, the multifunction Chamberlain panel with motion sensing. So, without further ado, let's give this a run. And for the hell of it, let's race the two openers. Not even a competition. How about that? See you people in the next video.